They are suffering two most incredible qualities that only human beings possess on this planet, which is a vivid sense of memory and a fantastic sense of imagination. Unfortunately, most human beings are suffering this. Essentially, they're suffering an evolutionary process.
Sometimes we don't know what we're looking for, but we go find it. You talk about seeking the unknown, but to put ourselves in a place. Do you think there's a value about put yourself in a place so you can hear it? Put yourself in a place so you can receive it.
See, people keep coming to me and say, Sadhguru, please bless me, this should happen, that should happen. I tell them, see, my blessing is, may all your dreams not come true. They get shocked. I said, Sadhguru, why? Says, see, what can you dream of? Right now I don't know what you're drinking, suppose it's coffee. If you have had 1 cup of coffee, maybe you will dream of a barrel of coffee. If you have $1 million, maybe you'll think of $1 billion. I'm saying all your dreams are just exaggerations of what you already know. If you go like this, you're ensuring that nothing new ever happens to you. So my blessing is, may your dreams not come true. May things that you could never dream of happen to you. If you have to be an open possibility like this, it's very important that we understand, that is why karma is important. Karma means it's the bedrock of your memory. It's the bedrock of your memory means who you are right now as a person. Matthew as a person, as a physical person, as a mental person, as an emotional person, and even as an energetic person, it is a certain volume of memory. Here there's evolutionary memory, there is genetic memory, there's articulate and inarticulate, unconscious, subconscious and conscious memories. All this memory put together, an amalgamation of this is one person called Matthew, similarly every other person. So, now do you want to stand on the stage of this memory? Let's say we see this memory like a platform. If you stand upon this, the richness of your life plays out and you can do your today's dance on that stage. But if you sink into it, it becomes like a quicksand and past just takes away people. See, most human beings just see what is it that they are suffering in their life. They are suffering what happened 10 years ago, now, sitting here. And they're already suffering what may happen day after tomorrow. Essentially, they're not even connected with life, they're mistaking their psychological space as existential. They are suffering two most incredible qualities that only human beings possess on this planet, which is a vivid sense of memory and a fantastic sense of imagination. Unfortunately, most human beings are suffering this. Essentially, they're suffering an evolutionary process. They're just saying, if I was an earthworm, I would be more peaceful. Yes, earthworm is a fantastic creature, it is very eco-friendly, all that is fine, but the possibility is limited. The significance of being human is, the possibilities are unlimited, possibilities are immense. This is why we are on top of the evolutionary pile. When I say on top of the evolutionary pile of all these millions of creatures which are there on this planet, well, we are trying to reduce their numbers unfortunately, but of all these millions of creatures, in terms of evolution, in terms of our neurological capabilities, perception and assimilation of what we perceive, we are on top of the world. But most human beings are not feeling on top of the world because they are sinking into the platform of their memory. This vast memory is a tremendous thing. See, otherwise today, I'm just saying, see, here I am sitting, there is an evolutionary memory in me, which tells every cell in the body, clearly speaks, this is a human being. Suppose I got fancy for dog food and started eating dog food for 3 days, will I become a dog? No, there is evolutionary memory within me which will never allow anything like that to happen. Now I am here in United States, let's say I eat only American food. Will I become an American person? Will my color change? Will my everything change? No. because there is genetic memory in me. So who you are, who I am, is essentially memory. The question is, will you stand upon this platform and do your act, or will you sink into it and die? This is all the choice you have.